There was the volunteer trail that was marked with the little white marks.
You guys tired yet?
No.
No? We'll wait till later.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, I was going to swim.
That wasn't too bad, was it? Huh?
No.
A mile and a half?
Dad, we could definitely make, because look at all those sticks right there.
Where you going, Chase?
There, we got,
Reel it in.
I did, Dad.
You got it off?
Yeah.
Are you chopping that wood right there, Eli?
Can I do some now?
Are you chopping some wood, Eli?
You think I can have,
Let Seth try. Watch your hand.
Preferably something green that won't burn so quickly.
I thought green didn't burn at all.
Well, a little burn, thank you.
Okay.
You guys having some hot dogs?
Yeah.
Did you guys catch one?
No, what is this?
Oh, I don't know.
Brandon said these were frog eggs.
Eat it.
No way!
A real survival boy would eat it.
Well, I'm not in a survival situation. And who knows if that is poisonous? Bring it over here.
Now we got 2 fish, and you know that fish is fresh when it's still flopping around on the fire.
Yeah, but oh, that was a good one. Whoa, he's going. Dang, it's hot. You're not gonna go catch me one? Fine.
This is for everybody. This is community right here. It's a community feast. Who are those for?
Hallie?
Who?
Hallie?
Why are you all laughing and stuff?
Because Papa.
Papa's making you laugh? Well, hold them up so we can see them. Oh, cute.
Make them dance.
What do you got there, Gavin?
A frog.
Dang.
A frog, huh?
He's gonna eat the frog legs.
What used to the remnants of a frog? It's the remains.
Oh, God. You guys are going to eat that?
Yeah.
Can I get it on video when you eat it?
That's
Can I get it on video?
Me and Gavin will have a frog.
All right, I got you on video right now.
Once you eat a frog leg, I'm
All right.
frog leg.
Stay tuned.
They are gonna do it.
You don't think they're going to do it?
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
I think they're gonna be dumb enough to do
If he
it.
eats one, I'm going to eat one. If you dare me.
Wait, now we have Gavin and Chase who are going to eat these frog legs right here. All right?
Okay, bottoms up.
Okay. Countdown.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, man. I hope I don't see this on 1,000 Ways to Die. Gavin didn't eat his. Oh, did he?
Did.
Oh, well, good job, guys. Give me 5.
It's kind of like,
All right.
it's kind of like a raw hot dog.
Yeah.
Gavin, I need a gun too. Can we get a gun?
What are you guys doing?
Get my gun for good and fine. I'm in my underwear too. Okay. I'll make a good bikini model underwear model.
What are you guys doing?
Here's my hot dog.
How'd you guys sleep last night?
No bad.
Not me.
You had a lot of trouble sleeping?
Couldn't make it to bed.
Did you guys hear Bigfoot last night?
No.
Apparently they did.
Chipmunk. Weird chipmunk.
I just said, you know what's funny? Feels like marshmallows like Don't try to swallow that thing whole. It's your alive.
He's so fun.
Are you having fun? Say good morning.
Morning.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're just talking about what we want.
Good morning, Eli.
And he said he wants to hold Hallie's hand the whole way.
Sure.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I got you on video. Yeah, it's on YouTube. It'll be on YouTube tonight. Okay, guys.
Eli.
I'm recording here. What? You want any last words? How was your trip?
Awesome. Yo, yo, yo.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Any last final words?
Yeah. Bye. Sayonara. Peace out.
Sayonara.
Peace out. I want to be on YouTube.
Wait, I want to get a picture of you guys with Lewis over here.
All right.